Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're mentioned on my channel for the first time today. Today's video is going to be my last, actually my last, Glossybox unboxing. So if you guys are curious on what is in here and if they're sending me off with a bang, then definitely keep on watching. So I initially signed up for Glossybox back in August because they had a really good deal for their birthday month, which August is also my birthday month. But it was $39 to sign up for 3 months worth. Now I did the 3 months and I was going to cancel, but I literally canceled the day after you were supposed to cancel by. So I ended up being charged for another 3 months, which was like $50 or $60. I don't really know, and I'm not really into looking that up right now. So their website will be linked down below in case you're curious. So I was wrapped in for another 3 months, and honestly, most of the boxes are kind of meh. There are a couple of boxes that were pretty good, like last month's I think was pretty good because it came with a You to the People moisturizer, which is one of Hiram's favorite ever. So I've been trying that out and I really do enjoy it. This box was already heavy. So I'm curious to see what's in here and if they are sending me off with a bang or if this is going to be a bust. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So before I open this up and see what's inside, I also want to share with you guys something I got through Influencer. So I was being told I was going to be sent something from Shiseido, I think. It's like a skincare brand. I've heard good things about them, so I was really excited. And then they told me I was getting sunscreen. Okay, but it's not sunscreen. I think works with makeup. But one of these products is something that's actually new and hasn't been released yet. By the time this video is up, I think it will be out, but I'm not exactly sure. So we've got these two little sunscreen things. They're in these cute little packages. I have not tried them out yet because I live in New York and I haven't seen the sun in 3 months. But honestly, it's been really, really gray in New York, and my plants, which are in a south-facing window, have been getting zero light, so I had to go to Home Depot and buy a grow light for them. So hopefully they'll be doing a little bit better. So opening up this cute little package, we've got this right here. This is the Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion. It is SPF 50+. Synchro Shield, Wet Force, and Heat Force. Turns invisible, broad spectrum, SPF 50 for face and body. Water resistant for 80 minutes. So this seems like it's legit sunscreen. Ooh. It's almost like a peachy color. Whoa, it feels more like a lotion than just sunscreen. It has a little bit of that sunscreen feel, but not too bad. It definitely feels weird. It feels a lot different than normal sunscreen. I put way too much on my hand though, so I need to wipe that off. But it feels good, and it does go clear, and it's not super thick like sunscreen, so you might be able to put that on underneath your makeup. I've been trying to find a good facial sunscreen because the only one I have is a Dermalogica one, and it's not that great. It pills on my face. I haven't tried the Dermalogica sunscreen with my new skincare routine, which I will be doing a video on that shortly, but it kind of just pilled with everything else. So this one might work underneath your makeup, so I'll have to give it a try even though there is no sun right now. I mean, there are still UV rays, so you can always use sunscreen. Now their other product is brand new. This is the Clear Sunscreen Stick. Again, this is also an SPF of 50, and this is just a stick for face and body, water resistant again for 80 minutes. And it's kind of I don't know, just a little stick version, which I think is really cool. This one definitely feels a little bit more greasy, but it looks like it rubs into the skin very nicely. I do really like these. These come in handy. When I went to Atlantic City for the last Warped Tour, we had not this one, but we had some sort of sunscreen stick. That way you could just easily reapply to your face and not have to worry about a liquid or carrying it around. So it's kind of a mini deodorant stick, but sunscreen for your face. So I'm definitely excited to give these a try. I definitely will have to try them when it's actually summer here and I'm sweating and I'm out in the full UV harsh sunlight. Alright, moving on to the box. The first thing that was actually in here is some sort of coupon for GEMMIST. I don't really know what this is. It's some sort of hair care subscription box. I'm not really into that, but I'll put it down in my description box in case you guys are interested. It's 20% off your first subscription order, so it is a subscription box, but in case any of you are interested, it'll be down there for you. All right, so every box comes with a little pamphlet right here letting you know what's inside the box, how much it's worth, and what to use it for. So first thing in here, the thing that's so heavy is actually from Bioderma. It is a micellar solution. This thing is like heavy. This is 500 milliliters. This has got to be like the full size. All right, so this is Bioderma. It is the full size. It is $14.90, which is not that bad. And it is a micellar water that cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. I've never been a big fan of micellar water, but I got the Tarte micellar water and I was like, nah, I don't really use them, so I gave it away. And then I got it again a second time and people told me that they loved it and it worked miracles, and so I was like, all right, I'll give it a try. Given it a try a few times and I feel like it does nothing. Plus, it burns my eyes like crazy. It just does not work for me. So if this one works any better than the Tarte one, then I'll definitely hold on to this one and pass the Tarte one along, maybe to my sister if she wants it. But 500 milliliters, I hope this works because that is a lot of micellar water. All right, the next thing that's in here is from Seed Phytonutrients. This is a lightweight facial lotion. It's $34. This is full size. It's 99% natural. What about that other 1%? And it is 100% vegan. It is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals and doubles as a makeup primer. And it says for normal to oily skin. I am not oily, so I don't know. No, it feels really, really nice. Oh my God, what is that smell? Oh my God, that smells really, really bad. It smells natural and vegan. That's the only way I can put to how it smells. It doesn't smell like they've added any fragrance in here, but I don't really know. I don't know the difference between like a facial lotion and like a moisturizer. I've got plenty of moisturizers. Let's see what the ingredients are. Water, coconut, corn sugar, vegetable, coconut sugar, sunflower, coconut seaweed, glucose syrup. There's a lot of coconut. That's probably why I don't like the smell of it. I don't even know if it smells like coconut, but... So I'll set that aside for a giveaway. I'm definitely not going to be using that, but hopefully someone else can use it because I don't like that. All right, next thing in here is from Korres. It's Korres. So this is the Greek yogurt probiotic super dose face mask. This is obviously a deluxe mini.
So cute and small.
So this is 20 milliliters worth $10. The full size is 100 milliliters worth $49. So it's just a like yogurt face mask that's supposed to rehydrate, reduce redness, which I could use, and rebalance the skin's natural protective layer in just one use. That sounds like something I would actually like. It's made with real Greek yogurt. I wonder if Korres is actually like a Greek name and I'm totally mispronouncing it. It's made in Greece. So I'm guessing this is made with like legit Greek yogurt, not like Greek yogurt you buy at Walmart. So I think I'm gonna give this a try. Let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, that feels really, really nice and like nourishing. It doesn't smell like fragrance. It smells natural, but definitely smells better than that like facial lotion. Cool, I'm excited to give that a try. I have a yogurt mask from GlamGo, but I haven't really used that, so I will definitely be giving this one a try. All right, the next thing that's in here is from High Beauty, and I wonder why it's called High Beauty. So this is another deluxe mini. This is 20 milliliters again for $20, and the full size is 50 milliliters for $46. And this is a high maintenance peeling mask made with cannabis sativa seed oil. So no wonder why it's called High Beauty. That's the thing with stuff with like cannabis sativa is that it is hella expensive, like crazy. This is going to purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with a peeling mask, but I don't really think it's a peeling mask because it says apply to clean damp skin and massage in circular motions for a few minutes and then rinse with a cloth. So I really don't feel like it's actually like a peeling mask, like you peel off, but it's supposed to remove impurities and dull skin. That doesn't really make sense. Like remove impurities, yes, and dull skin. Unless it's saying like removing dull skin, which doesn't really make sense. Or it's going to dull your skin. I don't really know. All right, so the next thing that is in here, I actually don't have up here. This is actually my second time filming this box because the first time I filmed it, I had no audio. But the next thing is the After Spa 2-pack reusable rounds. They're worth $10. I'll just show you like a little picture of them. So like right here, they're just like reusable cotton rounds. I haven't used them yet, but they must have been reading my mind when they sent me this box because I literally just added like a 16 pack of reusable cotton rounds to my wish list on Amazon because I want to be like more frugal and like go through cotton pads a lot. So I want to get like a bunch of reusable ones so I don't have to throw away a bunch, because I always use them to remove eye makeup and like add on some sort of toner and stuff like that. So these were like, they were like really big. They were like that big. So 2 of them for $10. Not bad. All right, and they end up giving us an extra treat, which is from Zolt. It is a hemp drink mix. See, hemp and cannabis is like the new hot thing now. 1 stick is $3.20. If you want a pack of 10, it's $32, which is like a lot. Now this would be cool to try, but it is coconut flavored, so I'm gonna give it to my fiance and see if he enjoys it. So it's caffeine free, and it's supposed to raise your baseline performance and mentally, emotionally, and physically. Don't really know what that means, but it is got 20 milligrams of CBD. It's third-party lab tested, caffeine-free, made from Kentucky-grown hemp. Cool. So like I said, this is my second time filming this box, so I have given a couple of these products a try. So I did try out the High Beauty peeling mask. Like I said, it's not really a peeling mask, but I'm not sure if it was this or something else, like my makeup or whatever was on that day. But I had a couple like little red spots show up after using this, so I think I'm only going to try it a couple more times and see if that happens again. If it does, I'm definitely going to pass this along because I don't want to irritate my skin, because I'm actually starting to get better with like my skincare, so I don't want to ruin it. Now the Bioderma I've used once. I think it works better than the Tarte one. I'm not sure. I need to give it a few more tries, but it doesn't irritate my skin as much. But at the same time, I don't think it works as well as my Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. So, I mean, I'll keep using it because I've got a lot of it to use, but... Alright, let me just add up everything really quickly and see how much this box is worth. So the total for this box was $92.10, which isn't bad because I think it's supposed to be a minimum of $80 worth of products, but we got 0 makeup items. Like the only thing that I'm like really happy about is like the cotton rounds, and I only got 2 of them. But everything else, I'm like, man, I'm giving away this. The Zolt hemp drink mix I'm giving to my fiance, and the other things I'm keeping, but for my last box, I didn't get any makeup. Like I said, this box is kind of like meh. So that was the last one. Now the only box I'm actually subscribed to is the FabFitFun box, which comes each season, so only 4 times a year. So yeah, there won't be as many unboxings on the channel this year. Well, that is everything for today's video. If you enjoyed this little sad unboxing, then give this video a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video, and it helps my channel out just the slightest. Well, I love you guys, and if you do subscribe to my channel, I welcome you to the feline family. Bye!